The financial landscape of 2025 demands a strategic approach that balances opportunity with prudence. Research shows that consistent, disciplined investing outperforms sporadic trading by an average of 7% annually. Begin by establishing a realistic monthly investment budget that aligns with your income, whether it's $50 or $5,000. The key is unwavering commitment. Evidence-based portfolio construction suggests combining broad market ETFs, which historically deliver 8–10% annual returns, with carefully selected individual stocks for growth potential. Data indicates that diversification through real estate investment trusts can provide steady income streams while offsetting market volatility. For those exploring cryptocurrency, market analysis recommends limiting exposure to no more than 5% of your portfolio. Behavioral finance studies confirm that emotional decision-making typically reduces returns by 4 to 6% yearly. Instead, maintain a long-term perspective and adjust your strategy based on data, not market sentiment. Remember, wealth building isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Your financial success in 2025 depends on starting today and staying committed to your investment plan through market fluctuations.